So today's extraordinary Gram Sabha was solely called for the public to discuss on the sole agenda of the budget, not any other agenda, only on the budget. And this extraordinary Gram Sabha was called by me as a Sarpanch within the rules and regulations of the Goa Panchayat Raj Act, Gram Sabha Meeting Rule Section 6. I'll just read it out to you. It says that section 6 says that the Sarpanch may at any time of his motion or shall, if so required by 1/5 member of members as provided under subsection 5 of the Act, or by the block development officer or director, call an extraordinary general meeting of the Gram Sabha. Now, as and when we started the agenda, we started discussing about the Gram Sabha, we had few members who were obstructing the meeting. So I quoted the rules to them. I quoted the section to them as to why I'm taking the Gram Sabha meeting, but still they started objecting. Now one of the members have already gone to the director of Panchayat to complain to cancel this extraordinary Gram Sabha meeting. Now you must understand that this extraordinary Gram Sabha meeting is taken. It is a public forum. It is for the people to decide and discuss on the budget. It is not for the elected members. This Gram Sabha is called out for the people. Now there are a couple of expenditures that are pending because the Gram Sabha, because the budget was not discussed. It was an undisposed matter. So lot of bills are pending which people are suffering for this because of few members that are disrupting the Gram Sabha meeting.
Earlier, panchayats had fixed a tax of 1 lakh each per annum. During my tenure, single-handedly, without being a sarpanch and being an opposition member, I was instrumental in reassessing their tax, and along with the panchayat body, we established a tax of 2 lakhs and odd per annum. These taxes remain paid up to date till the date I demitted my office. That means till 1997 or something. And whatever manipulations are there in that record during Artemis Fernandez, Deputy Sarpanch, then between 98 when she was a Deputy Sarpanch till 2002 or 3, I am not sure, are shown on record there, are part of Panchayat records when I passed the resolution today to recover the outstanding taxes till date from Canal Worth.